This 2026 Tiffin Phaeton 37BH is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 38 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, awning, LP detector, TV, stovetop burner, water heater, air conditioning, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2026 Tiffin Phaeton 37BH is built on a PowerGlide XC raised rail rear engine diesel CHAS's chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450 HP diesel engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.